Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past question. Question number 19 says, which of the following is an example of a prescription drug? Prescription drug, that is, drug that can be recommended, drug that can be recommended. That is prescription drug. A, cocaine. And when we talk of cocaine, cocaine is an illegal drug. As a matter of fact, it is one of the contraband drug in countries of the world, and it is made up of what we call morphine. And when people are addicted to it, it's very bad because it ill up spirit. Then option B is called heroin. Heroin is a powerful illegal, also it's also illegal drug. Illegal that is also made up of morphine. It is also used to high spirits, particularly among the youth of today. Then we also have option C, marijuana. Marijuana is a drug too. Is a drug that is made from dried leaves and flowers of what we call hemp. So it is also used by people and smoked by them. The option D, it is called opium. Opium is a powerful drug made from juice. Then option E, Valium, is also a drug used to reduce anxiety, but it's also high. While opium is used to reduce pain. Opium is used to reduce pain and make people sleep. So the correct option here is option D, which is opium. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.